Meet Odoo Helpdesk, the tool that helps customer service teams keep customers happy. Odoo Helpdesk puts all your support tickets in one place, so no ticket gets forgotten and your whole team can coordinate effortlessly. Helpdesk brings together tickets from every channel. Your customers can submit tickets by email or through a fully customizable form on your website. You can create tickets directly from a live chat conversation or anywhere else with the API. And of course, your reps can create a ticket manually for phone support. All these tickets end up in your support pipeline, where you can drag and drop them from stage to stage to track their progress. You can open a ticket, prioritize, categorize, tag, and assign it. Customer information is added to the ticket automatically based on email address, and you can see all the information related to this customer, including sale orders, invoices, projects, subscriptions, and anything else. And all other tickets from this customer are just a click away. All communication is centralized in the chatter, where the whole message history is recorded, so you never need to look far to find out what has been said and done. Here you can log internal notes, send files, and send emails to the customer. Canned responses and email templates save you time on common questions. When this ticket is solved, Odoo can send an email to the customer automatically. Here we're asking them to rate their experience. The dashboard gives you a top-level overview of all ticket activity and lets you quickly access high-priority tickets, your assigned tickets, and unassigned tickets. You can keep track of your KPIs and targets, like closed tickets, customer ratings, and SLA success rate. And of course, you can track your team's performance with Odoo's dynamic reports. Helpdesk also integrates with your website. In just a few clicks, you can enable a help forum so your customers can share what they know in one central and easily searchable location. Your team can include their knowledge in the conversation by turning a ticket into a forum post directly from a ticket, so your customers can find the answers to common questions on their own without having to wait. And the less your customers wait for you, the better your relationship will be. And that's what Odoo Helpdesk is all about.